The Space Dome 2 is a two-person tent with a spacious room. It incorporates our special designs while maintaining traditional features to provide you an outdoor experience as cozy as at home. Our round shape, tent top's double transverse crossbar support design is 140% more spacious than most others. And the height of 120 centimeters is 10 centimeters taller than most, making the tent interior much more roomy and comfortable so you won't feel cramped. Let's take a look at the inner tent. There are 3 handy storage pockets for the convenience of storing personal items. Look at the tent top. There are 5 hanging rings for hanging camping lamp, fans, and others, or tied to other strings for airing the clothes. All very handy and practical. The inner tent window mesh is made of 40D stripe woven fabric to allow ample airflows and temperature control while keeping the bugs out. It is very spacious. When you're lying down, there is sufficient elbow room without touching the tent walls. We use 68D 185T waterproof woven fabric for the lower part. Our arc-shaped design allows zippers to run smoothly. There are 2 window shielding layers. The white layer keeps any intruding eyes from looking inside and rainwater out. The other layer is for improved ventilation and viewing outside, like stargazing. We use a combination of 150D 135T stripe and Oxford fabric for the tent base to make it extra durable. We have carried out a hammering friction test. It still looks undamaged, as you can see, and also keeping any dew from seeping through. 2 ventilating windows on the outer tent to allow the interior to remain well ventilated with good air circulation for a comfortable feeling, with double ventilation windows for excellent air circulation. On the exterior side of the zippers, we have designed a waterproof strip and added Velcro for double protection against rainwater seepage. The front hull has a flexible blind with a fastening buckle. It can be rolled up for a wider view of the beautiful scenery outside. Moving forward, there are 2 halls at both ends of the tent. The back hall gets extra space for shoes, backpacks, and other belongings. Both the inner and outer tents are designed with double doors to allow 2 people to enter or exit the tent freely. Very convenient. We use 68D 185T waterproof striped fabric with a transparent 2000mm PU coating for the outer tent, fully stitched and glued to ensure it's windproof and waterproof. All the rods used for the tent are aluminum alloy of 8.5mm width. Aluminum alloy is more flexible, lightweight, and suitable for all 3 seasons. Our unique design of rod frame and hooks for the exterior of the tent assists campers to put up the tent smoothly and rapidly. Finally, put the outer tent on and tie up the rope to secure and tighten the strap. We supply 11 pieces of ground pegs and 4 pieces of wind ropes to secure the tent against any strong winds. The design of a transverse top opening of our storage bag makes it convenient for storing and retrieving. The elastic buckle rope with the bag allows contents to be compressed. The string handle design is a convenient way to carry the bag around. Unigear has been striving to meet customers' needs by developing outdoor gear which provides our customers with a more comfortable, safer, and convenient outdoor experience.